This 2022 Newmar New Aire 3545 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features a Sparta Decor, Mink Rift Oak Hardwood-HG interior, sleeps 2, self-contained, TV, external shower, stove top burner, slide-out, air conditioning, TV antenna, leveling jacks, awning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar New Aire 3545 is built on a Freightliner OnGuard chassis and is powered by a Cummins 450 HP engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.